Hello guys, welcome back. This is Finstock Biztalk. My name is Patrick and we're still doing the series on content creation, and today we're going to be discussing on how to create short form content, and in this case TikToks, and how do you create quality TikToks to make sure that your TikToks are best viewed in the TikTok app. The first thing you need to do is to master TikTok trends, because TikTok have this trend where they get to video they have videos trending of people doing maybe certain challenges, or there is a certain filter that is trending at that time. If you get to capture those trends, you'll be always ahead of the time, because a lot of people can tell this who watch TikToks. If you find a TikTok that is trending, or there is a certain maybe dance challenge that is trending, you'll be tempted to like that video and even share, because that tells you that you are ahead of the game, because people get to see those challenges and trends later on. So if you get to be lucky and find that TikTok trend immediately as it pops, the owner of that TikTok trend will be gaining likes and views. And maybe if you are the owner, if you create content in form of TikToks, you'll be the first one to gain that. So it's your goal as a content creator to make sure that you're capturing those TikTok trends. Make sure that if a trend pops, you're the first one to create and react to that video. And the second thing you need to do is to know editing hacks, because TikTok is short form content, and it's kind of content that people are liking more even than watching videos on YouTube. Yeah, people like short form content because it's easy to view and it's viewed in a 9:16 frame, which is a full screen. So if you get to know those editing tips, like how do you get to edit in that 9:16 frame, you'll be ahead of time, because you are creating content that is user friendly to watch, and it's even easy to consume. So know those editing hacks, those eye-catching visuals. How do you get to light your videos so that the viewer doesn't struggle, or it's having a good time enjoying your video? So the second thing is to know those editing hacks, and the third thing is cracking the TikTok algorithm. So the algorithm of TikTok works in a certain way, because TikTok has algorithm. Not only TikTok, every social media, they have their own algorithm, and they get to push certain type of content. So it's your duty to know which kind of algorithm is working for TikToks, and how can you manipulate that to make sure that you are in line with those algorithm for your video to get pushed by TikTok. And one of the algorithm is to use hashtags and SEOs. Yeah, if you put hashtags and SEOs, and people get to comment to your video is going to be pushed. The other thing about algorithm is that there is a certain time that you should be posting your TikToks, yeah, which is the high time that people are consuming TikToks. If you are posting maybe at 6, people are not very much on TikTok at 6 a.m. But maybe something like when they are having their lunch, maybe like 12 to 2. Yeah, if you post at that period of time, you're going to be having a lot of views. That is what we call algorithm. And the other one is building an authentic brand on TikTok. So this is how you get to, people can know your videos according to how you post your videos, how you post, even how your thumbnails look. Yeah, identifying that uniqueness about your videos. People will be certain, like if I watch this video on TikTok, they'll be like, I've seen this video somewhere else. And then if the same video or another video pops up and it's edited the same way, have the same logo, people will start noticing that it's your brand and it's your videos, and they'll start enjoying your content and even following you because you're unique. And the last one is monetizing your TikTok channel, because that is the whole point. As long as you are creating content, because creating content is time consuming, is energy consuming, so why not monetize your TikTok channel so that you can enjoy what you're doing, and even you can have more time of creating content for your viewers so that they can still enjoy your content. Yeah, and those are the 5 tips on TikTok creation. If you have any other tip, make sure to comment it down below. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section below, and we'll sure to get back to you and reply to your comment. If you want to become a professional video editor or content creator on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, you can enroll for courses at Finstock University College, where they have these courses about video production, film production, editing, and their courses are online and they are very affordable, and you can do them anywhere because they're online. So visit the website. The website is www.finstockuniversity.com, or email them at info@finstockuniversity.com. You can also call their customer care number at 0703 313 722. Also, at the end of the video, don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe, and turn on notifications so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. That is it, guys. Until next time, goodbye.